idea. Let's do a race. The winner can play on the PlayStation.
Okay, I will win anyways.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Come on.
And
Come on.
I won.
Yeah. Okay, Jason, here is the racetrack, and I'm gonna win.
No, I am going to win.
2, 1, go!
One,
2, 3, 4, and last time 5. Oh, hey, food. Oh, let's see what we choose. I want this one. Oh no, Jason is too fast. We're speeding.
I'm winning. Oh, something funny on TV.
You're gonna get a ticket.
Oh, it's fun.
Bye.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, no.
Oh, next one. Oh no.
I got it.
What? Wait a second. A vending machine.
Cool.
Let's choose this one. Woohoo! Ah, nice, refreshing drink. Wait, I'm going. Now you have to catch butterflies. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. No, you have to drive. No. I'm gonna win.
No.
Oh no! Come on! I'm gonna lose! I'm gonna lose! No!
My gosh, better. I won the game.
I lost! I haven't planned to get him back.
Yeah, I won.
Jason, because you won, you can have an ice cream. 1, 2, 3. Just don't tell Jason. There you go, Jason. Enjoy.
Thank you. Ah, what's going on? Oh, my goodness, getting smaller. Oh no! It's time to race. Woo! Ice cream. With this ice cream, I'm gonna make him small. And I'm making it small. Here you go.
Oh, thank you, Jason. This must be a great ice cream. Huh? Wait a second. What's going on with me? Oh no, what's happening to my body? I'm getting smaller.
Oh no!
Oh no. Seems like I have to race. Let's go. To the left. Right. Okay, I'm getting closer to the finish. Okay, keep going. To the left. Right. Almost there. I got to the finish. Oh, my body is getting bigger again. Yeah! Yay! All right. You have won, so I cannot play.
Yes. But you can play.
Can we play together?
Yeah.
All right.
If you're losing, I will out.
Okay, it's your turn. Okay, my turn. Okay, your turn. You see, guys, we're playing together.
Oh yeah, your turn.
Oh, okay. Hey, look, Cat. There's paint. Whoa. Oh my goodness, look at all this paint. Wow.
Cool.
All right, I'm gonna play with paint.
Oh yeah.
Whoa, look at my hands. Cool.
Cool.
Let's go. Hey! Wow, this is so cool! Whoa. Wait a second! It's all dirty! No! Jason! Jason, help! My hands in the wall! Look, it's a mess! Jason, help! Help! Oh no, Jason is coming!
What is going on here?
I didn't do anything!
You did it! Oh no! Show me your hands.
Oh no! Oh no! Yeah, I did it! I'm sorry! Okay, clean it! Okay, clean my hands, please!
Okay, here you go.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. The other hand. Okay, that's good.
And your
Ah, no! Stop it! No, stop it! No, stop it! On my face! On my face! No, stop it! Look, guys, this is my new car.
Wow!
Okay, let's play. I'm playing with the car. No, no, no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! My car is all dirty!
Alex needs me again.
Jason, help me! Look at my car! It's all dirty! Look what I did!
Oh, I will clean it.
Stop it! Don't clean my face! Stop!
You
No,
like-
stop! No, stop it! Please, stop!
You
No,
like
don't do this! No!
You like Ha! Got Alex.
Wait a second! This house is dirty! I'm gonna clean it with my hands! Oh my goodness! Look at my hands! It's all dirty! Jason! Look! My hands! Jason, look! Look at my hands! Jason!
Alex needs my help again.
Alex!
Hey, what is it?
Jason, clean this!
Yes.
Oh no, clean this mess! Clean this mess! Okay, clean it! Clean it up!
Yes.
Clean this mess, Jason!
Okay.
Hey, what are you doing? Hey, stop it! No, hey, no, my face! No, my face! No! Oh, don't spray water in my face! Stop it! No, stop it! No, I'm going! Hey, what is this? Sand!
Cool.
Oh, that's fun! Oh no! My shoes! They're all dirty! Jason! Jason, help!
Oh no, Alex needs me again. Oh no, Alex! Alex!
Oh my goodness! Look at my feet! They're all dirty! We need your help! Okay, clean it! Oh, clean it! My shoes! My shoes! Hey, stop it! No, this is not my shoes! This is my face! Stop!
No,
Stop! No!